To rank in ChatGPT and Claude, you need to write good blogs and also get good backlinks. And here's exactly how you write good blogs. Google and Bing both have official guidelines, and I've analyzed those documentations and boiled it down to these 3 essential lists. This is the best article structure we've experimented with over 10 clients. No matter if you're writing your blog manually or you're using AI to assist writing your blog, if you're using our app HeyEmit to generate the blog, it will follow exactly the structure I'm going to show you. I have another lesson analyzing their official guidelines if you want a deep dive. So there are 3 lists. The first list is about structure, the second list is about the writing style, and the third list is about the technical stuff. For the first structure checklist, there are 8 items. First, you need clear and short headers. Use specific questions as those headers. So your H1, H2. Number 2 is you should add the author and the date. Always show who wrote it and when. Anonymous content is not as trusted. And the date shows that your article is fresh. And if you've updated your article, you should add the updated date as well. This is great for AI searches. Number 3 is the TLDR first paragraph. Start with a 40 to 60 word direct answer so AI can quote you as a feature snippet. Number 4 is lists and tables. 78% of the AI answers use lists. So if you have data or steps, use a bullet list or an HTML table. Do not hide a table inside of an image. Number 5 is FAQ. You can use Google's People Also Ask questions by the end of your article and then write a short answer with 1 to 2 sentences to answer the question. You can mention your brand when it's relevant. So when AI is trying to quote you, they'll pick up your brand name. Also, when you're writing the FAQ, do not use an accordion. Bing's AI often skips the content entirely if they can't see it. Number 6 is citations. Use citations to relevant and credible sources like industry blogs and preferably .gov and .edu sources if it's relevant. Number 7 is internal links. Add 2 to 3 links to related articles on your site so AI sees you as an expert in that whole topic. Number 8 is images and videos. Add relevant images and videos to make your article more engaging. You want people to stay on your blog for as long as possible, so you want videos, images, engaging content to make them stay and read your whole article. Also, relevant YouTube video gives you another whole chance to rank for that specific keyword. I'm going to talk about video SEO in another lesson. Okay, the second checklist is the writing checklist. There are 4 items. Rule number 1 is to keep your content strictly to less than 3 to 5 keywords. You gotta deep dive into that specific topic. If your content is all over the place with like 20 keywords, search engines are going to have a hard time decide what your article is about and who to show it to. Rule number 2 is to be unique and use examples. Give your expert experience. You can ask yourself this: what do I know about this topic that other people don't know? Try to include a specific client example, user example, or unique data point. Rule number 3 is be quotable. You gotta write self-contained sentences. If AI pulls this sentence out of context, it should still make sense. For example, this is not a self-contained sentence. If you say Jupiter is a planet, it is in the solar system, you should write Jupiter is one of the planets in the solar system. That's a self-contained sentence. Rule number 4 is to use numbers. Just like in the titles, you should use as many relevant numbers as possible. Use statistics, swap the buzzwords for data. Both humans and AI love numbers. Don't just say generic words like we're an innovative solution. Say something like, we can save you 20 minutes. And the third checklist is the technical checklist. There are 3 items. Number 1 is use a clear title tag. I had a whole video talking about how to write a good title for a blog. So you should make it about 50 to 60 characters. And make sure you fill in the title in your metadata of that page correctly. The second thing is meta description, which is the text under the title. It doesn't affect ranking directly, but it affects clicks because that's the only 2 things people see under the title to decide if they want to click. The third thing is the schema markup. Please use the article and FAQ schema. Pages with schema are 33% more likely to appear in voice and AI results. And you can use Google's official rich result tool to see if your schema is correct. If it's being picked up, it should look something like this. Make sure that your data in the code matches the text on your page exactly. Otherwise, it would be penalized by Google. So that's the winning formula of a ranking article. You can use our app HeyEmit to generate write a blog that's following this exact structure. What we need from you is your brand's information, as well as a brief unique angle or a client example that you have. This way we can actually cook up an article that's providing value and good for both humans and AI to read.